Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get a free Canva Pro. How to get Canva Pro free. So let's begin. To take a Canva Pro first, you need to log in at canva.com. So I'm going to canva.com and I have created a account so that log it to me in the site. Then you gonna search engine and search Canva Pro Canva Pro invite link. Then search it. Then you gonna this site. Then this site. Then go to this link and that's loading, so it's take a few seconds. Then you scroll and get Canva Pro invite link. Click here, then wait for a few seconds. Get link, then wait for, then click here. It took maybe 3 or 4 times to get a Canva page Pro. Then click get link. Click go to link. Then wait, because it take a few seconds or few minutes. Then click get link. Also wait. Then click and join with Canva Pro. Yeah, we're joining a group. That group is fully pro, so you can use any elements in Canva. Example, I'm gonna Facebook post and I show you that. Then you choose a pro, that is pro element. So I'm click here and this is working.